Welcome to this tightly held enclave of homes. This home in particular has been held by the same family since 1958.
Come with us and let us take you through 76 Wharf Street. What I love most about 76 Wharf Street is that it feels like a home. You've got this cracking deck as well as room for 3 cars in a lockable garage, a massive backyard with plenty of fruit trees, and you've got a constant river breeze to keep the summer days cool.
It's easy to understand why this family have owned this home for so long. If you think that 76 Wharf Street could be your next family home and carry on this long tradition of owning this property, give our team a call today. We would love to help you out.